If you want to know how I made this lovely pearl earring, stick to this video and let's get to it. Hey creative minds, long time no see guys. So today we're going to be using this pearl bead. You can use any bead of your choice. Okay, I'm just going to use this pearl bead. We're going to be needing our fishing line 0.45 millimeters to be precise. Okay, we're going to be needing scissors, and this is the earring hook we will be using today. Okay, are you seeing that hook? Now we're going to be using this glue. Okay, so let's get right into it. So you want to make sure you're cutting some amount of fish line, not too much. Okay, something that is just okay, all right, not too long like you're making a long necklace. All right, so you just want to cut that out, and then you want to start putting your pearl bead. Like I said earlier, you can use any bead of your choice. Okay, now you want to start putting your pearl bead one after the other. Now these are 6 pearl beads. Okay, 6 to be precise. All right, so guys, like I usually say, if you're watching this channel, you've not liked, you've not subscribed, you don't comment, see, please do. Okay, because I'm putting so much effort. Like, it's not easy to make these videos and show you guys how to do it. So please guys, help this channel grow too. All right, so you're going to put in 6 beads, guys, just like that. Okay, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, now you're going to remove that, the last one you put, and then you're going to slide the other one at the end. Everybody knows how to do this at this time. Okay, you know how to do this, the cross pattern. All right, if you don't know how to do it, go and watch the other videos. All right, because I'm not going to repeat anything here. Now you're just going to do it like this, and this is what you are going to form. Okay, it must be like this, and it should be tight. Okay, I repeat, it should be tight. Now you're going to put the fish line together, and then you're going to slide one more pearl bead in it. All right, just slide it in like that. There's no need to cross anything, just slide it in, don't cross. I repeat, just put the fish line together and slide it in, do not cross it. Okay, you see how I did it? See what it's looking like? You are going to pull it to the middle. All right, make sure it's in the middle. Right after doing it like that, okay, you see, make sure it's tight, that particular circle is tight, and then you're going to make sure this is tight, and then you're going to just turn it to the middle. Are you seeing it? Just turn it to the middle. This is one of the simplest video you will see today. Now you're going to cross it. You're going to take one side of the finishing line, cross it at your left hand side, and the other one you're going to cross it at your right hand side. Now make sure you are doing this with the bead that is facing it. All right, the same way you did it with the other one, now you're going to do it with this one, and trust me, the 2 sides will be the same. Guys, are you seeing what I'm doing? Okay, just cross it. This video is very detailed and it's very, very simple. All right, so please guys, just cross it like this. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, please. Now you want to make sure this thing is very tight, my loves. Make sure it is tight, please. It has to be tight, because if it's not tight, it's going to cause you problems. It has to be tight. And you see how this is tight? You can see that one side of the bead is inside the pearl bead. You see the middle one? You see how that middle part is inside? That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, now you want to make sure you tie your fish line. Okay, cross it each bead. I suggest, because this is what I usually do. Okay, and I'm going to tell you guys the truth. You guys know I always tell you the truth. Now you want to make sure you cross it in every bead and tie. Cross it in and tie till you get to the ending of the last bead. Okay, when you cross it into one, you tie it there. You cross it to the other one, you tie it there. All right, that is what you should be doing. Okay, please make sure it's tight, because if it's not tight, see, you're not going to like it. All right, you guys know I tell you guys 100% truth. Okay, now you want to tie it very well. Okay, make sure it is tied, please. I am begging you, don't say Rocket World did not tell us. I told you. Now make sure you tie it very well. Okay, you can tie it once or you can tie it twice. Okay, make sure the knot is tight enough. All right, that's how you're going to tie it. You're going to use one side to tie it to the middle, and then use the other side of the fishing line. We have 2 sides, right? You're going to tie one side to the middle, and then you're going to tie the other side to the middle. Okay, and then when the both of them are together, you just tie them once or twice, and then you cut your fishing line. Okay, just like this. Okay, please don't forget, guys, please like, comment and subscribe. All right, please. Okay, we're going to do it all round. Please like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you are doing this. All right, make sure this thing is tight, so because if it's not tight, you're not going to achieve this. Okay, it's going to be loosened and it's not going to be nice. Trust me, you can do this with any beads. All right, I'm just showing you with this pearl bead. Now, any design I give you guys on this channel, feel free to practice with any bead. It is not a must, it's the particular bead I use. Okay, that's what you should use. Okay, feel free to practice with any bead. Okay, now this is what it's looking like. You see the results. Now when you look at this bead, right, when you look at this creation, right, you're going to see that one side is inside and the other side is outside. Now you're going to be taking this earring hook. You see it, it's not like the earring hook you guys have been seeing. This is a different one. Now you're going to buy this glue. Okay, buy this glue. This is a very strong glue. Buy this glue. If you use this glue, you don't need anything else, no super glue or anything. Buy this glue and then put a generous amount on the middle side. Okay, put a generous amount on the middle side, and please, after doing it, close this glue immediately. Oh, don't leave it open. All right, close the glue immediately. Now you see how I'm going to close it immediately because it can dry up. All right, so after you do that, now you want to make sure you put it at the right spot, at the middle, please. At the middle, put it at the middle. Okay, now you put it at the middle, you stick it there, and then what you want to do is that you want to wait for 24 hours. I repeat, okay, leave this on for 24 hours before you think of giving it to a client or removing it. 24 hours. Now this is what is looking like. Look at the end result. Now this is what is looking like. You see how pretty it looks like. Okay, make sure you hide your knots while tying, guys. Make sure your knots are not showing. Make sure you hide it. Okay, now see the result. See how pretty this thing is looking. Now this is a design. All right, very simple, very demure. See what it's looking like and then sell for any amount you want. All right, now make sure to like, comment, subscribe. All right, it helps this video enough. See you on my next video.